Hey guys, Mani here. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy $200 over and over again by providing a service to local restaurant owners that they actually need. Now, before I jump into it, I'm going to go ahead and ask you for a quick favor. Like this video because when you like my videos, it tells you to shows my videos to more people, which means more people get the help they need. Okay, let's get right into it. Back in my late 16s, I started a business creating menus for local restaurants. And I thought this was a great idea because every time somebody gets to go order or a delivery order, the restaurant always puts a menu inside of the bag. And I thought to myself, well, somebody's going to print up all those menus. Why not me? So I went from restaurant to restaurant to try to get clients for this printing service. And over and over again, I ran into the exact same problem. The problem was that food costs were so volatile that restaurants were changing their menus quite often. And because of this, they did not want to get a large number of menu printed because what if their pricing changes? What if they have to change the price? That will mislead the customer and the customer will be unhappy because the price that is on the menu and they got it different from the price that the restaurant is now charging. Well, we are in the same situation now. Inflation is quite high. Food prices are volatile and restaurants are in that same exact position where they don't want to get a ton of menus printed to put into the go-go containers. Because what if the price change? And this is when I realized that there is a product being released by Cyril Gupta that solves this problem, and it's something that you can provide to restaurant owners to save them money, get them more customers, and also profit yourself. Let me go ahead and show it to you right now. So this is new software being released by Cyril Gupta and it's called QROQ. I am saying the letters because I have absolutely no idea how to pronounce that, but I really don't care about the name, I care about the functionality. And what QROQ does, it allows you to create QR codes. Now that alone would not be too impressive. QR codes are all over the place. We all know QR codes, you go ahead, you see the code on business card and flyer, you scan it and it's take you to the website or file. Anybody can create QR codes relatively easy, but what QROQ does is it allows you to create dynamic QR codes that not only charge but that can also lead people to a landing page, to a downloadable file, and it will cost on that for you. It even has an AI builder in it. Will let you create a landing page with artificial intelligence. Well, what I want to show you a step-by-step guide on how we can use QROQ to profit from restaurants while providing them a service they need. So, as I said earlier, one of the things that restaurants often do is put a menu inside of the go-to container. So somebody picks up something and takes it to go, they have a menu inside of the bag. Or if you get a delivery, they have a menu inside of the bag. And this is something that they do because if you have a menu, you are most likely to order again. The problem that restaurants have, the fact the pricing of food is changing so much, they are kind of leery of putting a menu in the bag now. Because what if the price of the food changes and they have to change the price on their menus? You are going to have an old menu and get upset if you order pizza when the menu says $90 but it's actually $20 now. So they are kind of like not doing that anymore. But with QROQ, you can solve this problem for them. Let me go ahead and show you how to do it. I am going to go ahead and click the QR codes. And I am going to click the create QR code. Now I am going to create a menu code so that anybody that scans the QR code will go to the menu automatically. I can go ahead and I can design the QR code however I want. I can create a logo, I can put text on it, anything I like. And most importantly, what I can do is upload a file. So you can see right there, it's PDF file and I can go ahead and upload it. And this way, anybody that scans this QR code will go to the file and be able to view on their phone. Now that is great, but you still have to wait people getting the QR code. And this is where a very simple printing service comes in play. One that I have used before in the past. So this is a printing service that is online. It's called Printplace. And I want to be clear, I'm not an affiliate for Printplace. I'm not affiliate with Printplace at all. I am only recommending it because it's one that I have used. You can use anything service you want. But this one that I know be good service. So if you look here, they actually allow it to create postcards and they allows it to create business cards. So I'm going to go ahead and click the business cards and see what the pricing of the standard business card is. A standard business card for 250 of them costs $29. So let's go ahead and raise this up. So let's see what the pricing is for 1,000 of them. So for 1,000 of them, we are going to pay $41. And what we are going to do is create a business card for the restaurant that the restaurant can drop to the go back. This way, when customers get it, they can scan their business card and go straight to the menu. And what is important about this is since the menu is online, we can change it anytime. So these business cards will never expire, unlike a paper menu that they were using before. We can easily charge $200 to $250 for 1,000 of the cards. They can drop inside of the go-to bags, and the reason being is that these cards are actually going to generate themselves. It actually going to make them money. Business owners have absolutely no problem paying a little bit more money to make more back. And what really awesome about this is consumer product, as they putting these cards with the QR codes in them inside of the go bags. They are running out of them. Eventually, they are going to completely run out of them, and they are going to need even more of them. What this means that one client will generate you multiple sales long term. So you can get paid over and over again. Awesome about this is that QROQ actually gives you analytics. It tracks data from people that scan the code. So you can go back restaurant and say, hey, look, it's actually working. Would you like to order some more? You can go to other restaurant to say, hey, look, this is working for our customers. Would you like to get involved with this? This is a system that is going to allow you to provide a service that restaurants actually need while making money yourself. Of course, it only works if you have QROQ software. So I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description so that you can check it out. But I want to tell you first, see the special bonuses that I have for anybody that picks up through me. Again, the link will be inside of the description.